James Berry wrote a rap and it made me laugh a bit. Then I thought of Elle, it would have made her feel like shit. It was really quite mean, all those things you said, especially when you referred to wishing she was dead. I mean, Elle's a nice girl, I don't know why you'd say that, but I wasn't in the relationship, so I don't have facts. Then Seb made a song about the rap he did. I thought it was better, less pauses in his. In the background there's music. He also played guitar and went on about how you took it way too far. I got to admit, Seb's song was a lot better, but that's not the reason I'm writing this letter. I felt like I needed to join in the fun. The music's from Toowong by Brad Strutt and Len 1. I don't understand about the industrial bin. I guess you wrote it cause the words fitted in. I want you to know that I still think you're a cool kid. I'm not gonna judge you on a little thing that you did. At the same time, I also feel sorry for Elle. Saying those things kind of made her feel well. By the way, why'd you go and call her ludicrous? Most people I talk to don't even know what that is. Also props to Seb, your song was good, and it had music, just like it should. Pity about those little words on the screen. Get rid of them and the producers will be keen. And I need to say that I love the glasses you wore. I wouldn't mind a pair, could you tell me the store? Barry, I enjoyed listening to your rap too. I just want you to know I'm not paying out you. I've chilled with you quite a few times and I do enjoy some of your rhymes. In 2 months I doubt most people will remember. Later in life you'll think back to this December. You'll most definitely realise the mistake you made, but no one will care and it'll be too late. I like your rhymes and I don't think you're crazy, and I'm pretty sure you're the real Slim Shady. So come on, Barry, please stand up. Put one of those fingers on each hand up. After watching Seb's song I saw something strange. I clicked on it and the video changed. Up came Tilly and Elle singing a song. I couldn't understand what the fuck was going on. How could these videos be related? I thought I better shout them in the song I created. You know I'm joking, hate's not what I'm about. We'll have a chill sometime. Peace out.
I should have been declared Australia of the Year fucking 10 years ago.